Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street from the tradersperspective.com, analyzing the Dow Jones Industrial Index. So, as everybody knows, since the election, prices have gone from here all the way up to 21, almost 2,200 on the Dow, which is insane. Personally, I believe that the markets are way above themselves. There is just too much pump in this market. It's all based on that Federal Reserve QE program, and we're going to have a harsh return to reality, in my honest opinion. Why do I say that? Well, you can just take a look at what's happening in the news, or you can follow the charts. From this point here of 1900, we've gone up to 1980. Then we went into 20,000. All the way up to almost 22,000. And nothing's really happened. That's the crazy part. So, what do I think is going to happen here with the Dow Jones Industrial Average? I already have a sell signal generated here around 2,800, 890. Price this past week tried to get a bullish maneuver, bouncing off this 50 period simple moving average, and again failed to close above when we had Thursday and Friday, two more periods where price just couldn't move any higher, didn't move any lower, but didn't make any progress as far as the highs are concerned. So we maintained the low, but we failed to reach the previous high. So I give that one a chalk up to the bears. And once we do close below this 50 period simple moving average, which has not been done for months, take a look back here. You'd have to go all the way back until September is when we first went below, and I'll even back it up a little bit so that it's within frame. I'm talking about right here. That's the first time, and that was back in September of 2016. That was when that first break below happened, and then we got above the 50 period simple moving average in November of 2016. So it has been a substantial amount of time spent above this 50 period simple moving average, and like anything else, as life and everything is constantly changing, we are going to go back below that 50 period simple moving average. I believe that's where we're headed right now. If you're long in the market, good luck to you. I don't think that we're going to go any higher from here. There is nothing that I see that will take us higher from here. The only thing that would take us higher from here, which is not going to happen immediately, but will happen in a few years, in my opinion, is further QE, quantitative easing into the marketplace. That's the only thing that will save this market at this point in time. Even if Trump implemented all of these growth policies for the U.S., that's still going to take a while to take place, and for the market to actually realize that. So, excuse me, getting over a little bit of a cold. Prices are going to go down, in my opinion, and I actually already went ahead and put in my target location for the first major area of support would be around 19,200. As you can see, that's a substantial fall from here. I don't think that we'll get there in one or two candlesticks, so don't put your, don't get too excited or scared at the same time. This will be a walk down, and it's going to happen quietly. It's already started. If you put up some indicators, you can see what I'm talking about. There are bearish divergences. We had a failed breakout there, and then we have this right here. So that's what you're looking at. That's your little area of interest. If you're looking to get short, this is probably not a bad time to do it. If you're looking to get long, you might as well just save the time of investing in the market and donate to your favorite charity, because that's where your money's going to go. We have a bearish cross here. We have a setup here, which could be a pinch, but given the amount of move in the market in the northern direction, it's now time for the bears to regain control. Profit taking will come into play. There's a lot of global turmoil going on right now, so again, the probabilities point to going down. Don't fight it. Adjust to it. Money is like water. It flows in the easiest direction. Bruce Lee said it best. Try to keep that in mind. So, what is the money going to do now? It is probably going to come home into everybody's pockets except yours if you're not planning for this fall. Make the adjustments, be ahead of what the big money's doing, and follow with it before everybody else and your neighbor understands what's happening. Price breaks below here, and then we're going to look to, might even find some support here before another bounce back up to here. Who knows? All I know is that this area, we can see the prices continuing to come down here, and might even level out right up here. But I'll have analyses to guide you along the way as this goes along. So this could take a few weeks, a few months to happen. It could happen in one night if you had the wrong political event happen. But in either case, this is what's happening in the market. This is what I'm seeing. Prices are being pinched. I give a 90% probability that we're going to be going down further. So, again, if you have any questions, please feel welcome to stop by the website. Email me, thetradersperspective@yahoo.com. My name is Own Wall Street, and this has been another presentation. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for stopping by.